How to change Outlook profile picture. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your preferred browser in your device. In your browser, go ahead and search for outlook.live.com. You cannot perform this through your Outlook application because the feature is not available in your app. So once you are in your browser, in your right hand corner, you will see your user icon. You need to click on it. After this, tap on My Microsoft account. This will redirect you to a new page. Go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines in your left hand corner. After this, tap on Your Info. Over here, you will see the option of Change Photo. You need to click on it. After that, tap on the option of Change Photo. From the gallery, choose the photo that you want to add as a new profile picture. After that, tap on the Save option. And just like that, you have successfully changed your profile picture in your Outlook. It is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.